Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Military Video Tech. Japan, Australia, and US Navy join in the hunt for Chinese warships in the South China Sea. The Australian and Japanese military conducted Exercise Trident 2023 in the South China Sea. The notion of a two-nation bloc patrolling in the waters together would send a unified message to China, which maintains a continual presence of hundreds of warships across the South China Sea, to assert its rights. The drill was part of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force's Indo-Pacific Deployment 2023. Australia and Japan are both regarded as special strategic partners in the Indo-Pacific area. This exercise is critical for continued strategic collaboration between Japan and Australia in the Indo-Pacific area, and it offers substantial strategic potential for promoting Indo-Pacific multilateralism. The exercise was carried out with the Royal Australian Navy frigate HMAS Anzac, FFH 150, and a Royal Australian Air Force P-8A Poseidon Maritime Patrol Aircraft, MPA, in the South China Sea by helicopter destroyer JS Izumo, DDH 183, and destroyer GS Samadare, DD 106. The drill emphasized tactical operations such as anti-surface and anti-air warfare. The relationship between the JMSDF and the Royal Australian Forces has never been stronger or more important, and the JMSDF will work with the Royal Australian Navy to improve interoperability and mutual understanding to improve the Indo-Pacific region's security environment. The Games, which took place in strategically disputed waterways over the weekend, focused on tactical operations such as anti-surface and anti-air warfare. Following a port call to Vietnam as part of an Indo-Pacific deployment, two warships from Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, helicopter destroyer GS Izumo and destroyer GS Samadare, participated in the bilateral training maneuvers. Australia, Japan's ally, is a special strategic partner in the Indo-Pacific area, sharing not just universal principles but also strategic interests in security. Japan and Australia have committed to strengthening their collaboration in the Indo-Pacific region, where China is strengthening its military and economic clout. The two also vowed to forcefully oppose any unilateral attempts to change the status quo by force in the East and South China Seas, a veiled allusion to Beijing's maritime aggression in those areas. Against such a backdrop, the joint military drill will improve the partners' combined ability to maintain maritime security and readiness and respond to any regional contingency.